NEET undergrad exam results. Big breaking news coming in affecting the lives of 24 lakh aspirants. NTA has released the results of NEET undergrad examination. Let's tell you viewers that the results have been declared for centers across the nation. In fact, to give us more details on the news is my colleague Riyanka, who's joining us live from the national capital. Riyanka, very good afternoon to you. Take us through the result that has been announced. What is the pass percentage and how are the numbers looking up?
That's right. We know that the NTA has now released the results of the NEET undergraduate, and this is coming in after the direction of the Supreme Court. During the previous hearing that we had seen, the Supreme Court had, heard the petitions from both the sides, and there were several arguments that were being made, and this was the direction by the Supreme Court that the results be released by 12 noon of Saturday, which is today, and this result must be released on a center level and city level separately. So now what we are seeing is the NTA has in fact gone ahead and released the results of the NEET undergraduate. It has been made public, but what has been kept masked here is the identity of the students. Only the roll number and the marks have been in fact released on the website of NTA. It has been done to ensure that there is a public view as to how was there a complete pattern of the students getting major marks here. There were grace marking that was also done, and there were allegations of paper leak. There have been several evidences that there was a paper leak that had happened at a massive scale, and to check that in a proper pattern, the Supreme Court had in fact directed the NTA to go ahead and release the data, the results of the students on its portal. It has done now. We'll have to wait and see what happens on the 22nd, that is the day after tomorrow, when the bench will resume the hearing in this case. The CJI headed bench will be taking note of how the marks pattern has taken place, how there has been paper leak, although there has been agreements that yes, there was a paper leak that had happened in several areas, including Godhra, including in areas in Bihar as well. To see that very mark pattern, the Supreme Court had directed the NTA to release these marks of the students on its website by today, and that has now come out. So we have to wait and see what happens next when the court resumes the hearing on the 22nd.
Well, all right. Thanks for joining us with those details. For now, Riyanka, of course, we will continue to come back to you to get more insights on the developments in connection to the NEET exam. Of